Oh no, he's coming. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to Manila, London. Today we are going to a farm, a Welford farm, Steve.
Yeah, Welford Christmas Farm.
Yeah, Welford Christmas farm. We're going to be there around 3 o'clock. Then we're going to pick up his mom, Stella. Hello, Stella. And then we are going to head off to the Welford Christmas farm. We'll see if I can buy a Christmas tree. So we'll see you at the Welford Christmas farm. See you in a minute. We're here. It's a beautiful ground. I can see the Christmas tree all the way there. That's good. It's not a muddy field.
Might be a bit sticky though.
Yeah, it might be There's loads of trees. Oh, they have sizes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Manila, London. Today we are at the Christmas tree farm. Oh, careful. We're in the middle of the tree. Oh my days, look at this. This is fun going out here. Oh wow, I like it. We're going everywhere. Entrance here. It's beautiful. Oh wow, they are so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, while it's bright.
There we go.
I think this car is really good for me.
Yeah, it's a nice colour, isn't it? I wonder if it still runs. I mean, I imagine they drove it here. It looks like it still goes.
This is how the people do. They put their Christmas tree on top of the car.
Yeah. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Cool. Very nice. Cool.
And this one.
Yeah.
This is free entrance here. You don't need to pay. Other places you need to pay for the entrance. And look at this, they have nice 2 big TVs in there, or just one together. Oh, they're selling crepes over there. Green kitchen, olive oil, and all the organic honey. They're selling organic stuff, butternut and apple chutney.
Fire for your marshmallows.
I love the wood style, isn't it? Are the mellows here? Hi! Oh, they have turkey over there. Oh, it's lovely.
Shall we head inside?
Oh yeah, is that right? Is it fresh? It's massive. They have plain like this. They have some ribbons. They're £60.
Flip!
Hi!
It might bite some.
Hey!
Right up next to the fence.
Are we allowed to touch?
Give it a go. I'm
Whoa.
surprised you dared.
Make it for dinner if we've got Ryan. He's eating a bit of straw, I think.
Other two over there.
Okay.
Said do not feed the goats.
And these ones are called Spot Dinky and Dotty. I don't know if you can.
Then we might kill you.
Oh my god.
Then it explode. Right, up here. In the ground. But it's some
Oh wow, Annie.
Did I tell you about this?
Look at the size of it.
I make how that.
Oh my god.
I have to jump onto a ring. I feed it. I have to wrestle it to the ground right and
Yeah, it's massive.
You're forgetting that, skip it.
It's out.
Wow.
Broken girls. Gosh.
Very cool.
Yeah, yeah. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Careful with the horn. Hi.
Maybe it's more.
There you go.
They are expensive. Beautiful.
It's massive. Look at that. Yeah. It's massive. Look at that.
I think that's hazel in there. And this
4 feet, 3 feet. Okay, let's zoom in the prices of the Norway spruce. They're beautiful, isn't it? So they have tractor here that maybe they're not using, that's why it's on the display, which really a good touch. And the entrance of the Welford Christmas farm. Let's go inside. What they can offer, what they are selling. Oh my goodness me, this is what you're gonna see at the beginning and the entrance of the door. So many Christmas decorations here. Love it. Oh my god, I like this bubble pine cones. You know, I am liking pine cones. And also this one, we have that. We bought it in Emporium. This one is $4.99. I think it's same price from previous year. And this is handmade. It's really nice, but a bit dear. $9.99 for the small one. This is so beautiful. This vase catch my eye. It's really nice. It's striking, and look at that texture, so beautiful. I can use it in so many flowers. Wow, the pearl. Oh my god, I love pearl. You know, I'm obsessed with pearl, and I see there's lots underneath here. I might get some as well if I can later. Nutcrackers, very small. We'll see how much. I can't see the price, so I can't tell you. Probably maybe £5 for that. And also they have black and silver on this side, and this Christmas tree. I think they're selling that Christmas light tree as well. If you like white, they have white here. And this is the whole place, the whole shop for all the bubbles. And also they have coffee shop at the end.
£37.
Oh my god.
More like a tenner.
Whoa. Yeah. And they're all handmade, isn't it?
They're
Oh.
weighted. So
It's like a door stopper.
Yeah, it's cute, though, isn't it?
I like this.
$9.50.
I like this.
Yeah, that's nice. I like them.
Yeah. Every corner in this room, they have different theme. Now we are in the red color, as you can see on this tree, and also all the bubbles around it. And everywhere is red and gold and white. So beautiful. I like their bubbles here. And look at that, they have candy as well, lollipop. Red is a must. Red and gold white is good combination. Okay, now let's check the middle of the shop. Everything here is like a handcrafted. They are very talented. Maybe they came from other companies, you know, that they selling in here. So many good stuff that you can buy, organics, woods, and different design. They are very creative people. I'm loving in this area. Look at that, the reindeer. Most of their designs is very unique. They're all talented. Ang gaganda ng mga design dito. And this one as well, I like this glass. I think this battery operated. Yeah, would be nice at night to lit up on both corners. You need to buy 2. For me, it will take me like an hour to go around in this shop.
Might be.
Hey! Shit! Stop it!
You like him?
Steve showed me this bird if I like it. I said no, it's too expensive, 30 pounds. This crown is beautiful but expensive as well, $14.99, and it's on its own if I can have like two. There is a lot of going on here. They have many suppliers of this kind of stuff. And this one as well, gold. If you like gold, you can buy some gold in here. They have many things. I like this pink house. Ang ganda, ganda. It's beautiful. I think it's $15.99 for this house. Ooh, I don't know if I like it for the price. Okay, I will shut up and I will put the music on and I'll give you a tour for the whole stuff that they're selling in here. I don't know, cat? Oh no!
Little mouse.
No! Oh look, Steven!
Little frog. He's a nice one, isn't he?
Oh yes, he's
He's
cute.
cute, isn't he? Little Christmas frog. £10.
Gosh.
There's another one over there.
They are cute though.
What's this? Peas.
Yeah.
I like
Nice.
this.
There's another one there. Look. That's a frog. Give him a friend.
How cute.
While Steve and his mom patiently waiting for me, I went outside and I would like to have a mooch around of what they are selling here and how they going to sell this, if they're going to cut them or how they put this into this net. So let's go and have a look. And this lady, she's very strong. She can just lift it just like that. And what she can do, put inside into that hole and then put the net in. Look, just like that. And they're loading over there. I spoke one of the owner. They said they are going to take this into near to the front and they are making more. Look at this. I like it. I would like to have one. I think they're training this kid and the girl as well. Look, just easy as that. I think it's just a small. It's like a 4 feet or 5 feet only. So they are training to do this. And there's more. Oh my god, it's fascinating. I would like to try, but I don't think I would. Ooh, it's very easy. Looks so easy as long as it went in and voila, she made one. And this is going to sell. And they said they can do delivery. Just arrange for the deliveries and they will deliver into your house. Would be nice. Look at this. They are so strong. This is your exercise for the whole day. It's lit up now, Stel. It's really nice here.
It's pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah. You enjoying it, Stel? Wow.
You lot then?
Are they all they're all the same, isn't it?
That's bratwurst, pork and herb. There's a bacon one or one with
Bra-
cheesy.
this one.
You want one of those ones?
No. So get me the nice hot one.
That does look nice.
Oh my god. Where's the sauces, Steven? Oh, the sauce there. Look at that. Let's try hot dog first. I'll try Steven.
Very nice. No, I'm okay. I don't want to buy it. Are you alright?
It's really nice. It's really nice. Wow. Pork is better, I think.
Yeah.
Look at that. Cut it. Wow.
After being in here since 6 o'clock this morning.
Gosh, sure, Steven.
now, look now, they've left it to pay. Please, thank you.
We're going to LSTP. My friend Vicky said they do reef arrangement in here. It's a massive room, it's massive teepee, and we are going to eat our food first, and then we are heading home. So Steve and Stella enjoying the night, and me as well. So let's eat. You know what? I can finish 2 sausages. It's really nice.
And here we have the Santa sleigh, complete with a demented elf There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's take some photos. There you go.
Merry Christmas! Right, everyone. We've done our tour. And we are going back home. We had a nice, good tour for you. Christmas tree everywhere, and they have lights everywhere as well. Look at that. It's pretty. We had a great time here. I'm so happy. Okay guys, it's getting dark. We enjoyed it. I think we had 3 hours here. It's nice 3 hours though, and I really like all their decoration. Real Christmas tree. Oh my god, they're divine. And I showed you how they pack them in the net. It's so cool, isn't it? Never seen it before. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this video. Please do subscribe and hit like, and please comment down below what you think. This place, is it beautiful? It's really beautiful in the middle of Christmas tree. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay guys, we're going to exit. Oh my god, this is big Christmas tree that I got here. Look at that. Oh, two.
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe, or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.